Think about something exciting coming soon. That feeling of waiting with joy is our word today. Welcome to Word Up with Sofia. Today's word is anticipate. Can you say it with me? Anticipate. Let's spell it together. Ready? A-N-T-I-C-I-P-A-T-E. That spells anticipate. Anticipate means to expect or look forward to something. It's the feeling you get when you're waiting for your birthday party. It's the excitement before recess starts. It's when you look ahead and get ready for something fun. So when you anticipate, you're not just waiting, you're getting excited for what's coming next. Here are some words that mean the same as anticipate. Say them with me. Expect, like waiting for the school bus to arrive. Predict, like guessing it might rain when you see gray clouds. Await, like standing in line for recess to begin. Foresee, like knowing your birthday is coming soon. Hope, like wishing for ice cream after dinner. Each one shows the excitement of looking forward to something. Now let's look at the opposites of anticipate. Dread, like feeling nervous before a test. Doubt, like not believing recess will happen. Question, like being unsure if a surprise is real. Overlook, like forgetting about show and tell. Surprise, when something happens that you didn't see coming. That's what happens when you don't anticipate. Sofia could hardly anticipate the fun of her birthday party. She was so excited, looking forward to games and cake before the big day arrived. Quick check, what did we learn? Anticipate means to expect or look forward to something. Synonyms: expect, predict, await, foresee, hope. Antonyms: dread, doubt, question, overlook, surprise. Anticipating the future makes waiting exciting instead of boring. Looking forward to good things brings joy to your day and to those around you. Now it's your turn. Think of something fun you can anticipate today, maybe recess, snack time, or playing outside. Bonus points if you share it with a friend. Fantastic! You anticipated what was coming, just like a detective looking ahead. Keep looking forward, Word Explorers. See you tomorrow for another adventure with Word Up with Sofia.